Hello students, welcome back in electronics lecture. We have started the chapter is study of components. In the previous lecture we have seen the types of capacitor, isn't it? We have seen the types of resistor, capacitor, their types and how to measure the value of resistor. Now we are going to see is inductor. Yes, today we are going to see is inductor. What is inductor? What is resistor? It opposes the flow of current. It's called as the resistor. And what is capacitor? Capacitor is nothing but the two parallel plates which is separated by the dielectric material and it is used to store the charge. Similarly, inductor is nothing but which induce the voltage is called as the inductor. What is inductor? Inductor is nothing but it induced the voltage is called as inductor. Its symbol is capital L and this inductor is also called as choke. Another name of inductor is what? Choke. And what is the definition of inductor? Inductor is nothing but which induced voltage is called as the inductor and its symbol is L and it is measured in Henry, that is capital H. Its unit is what? SI unit is Henry or it is symbol capital H. All of you understand what is inductor? Inductor is nothing but which induce the voltage when current is given is called as the inductor. Okay. So when current will be flow, mostly inductors are used in the AC. You know AC and DC? Yes. AC means what? AC is nothing but the alternating current. AC is what? Alternating current. And DC means what? DC is the direct current. Alternating current and direct current. What is the difference between AC and DC? AC means what? It is the alternating current. DC means direct current. What is AC? Yes, AC means whatever we give the supply, whatever we receive the supply, whatever we use the supply from MSCB is called as the AC supply. Okay, so AC supply means what? Whatever the supply comes from the MSCB, that supply is called as the AC, that is the alternating current. And that supply is not always constant. तो सप्लाय जे एमएससीबी करना येतो नो डाउट आपण म्हणतो की ते 230 वोल्ट असतो 230 वोल्ट असतो बट दॅट इज नॉट फिक्स्ड दिस voltage is always in the variation form, always in the fluctuation form, always in the movable form. It is not constant exact 30 volt. Okay, so mostly fluctuations are in only AC voltages. Okay, DC means what? This AC is converted into DC by using particular circuit. You have that circuits in 12th standard, that is the rectifier. Rectifier म्हणून तुम्हाला चॅप्टर आहे त्याच्यात तुम्हाला सगळं माहिती आहे बघायचं की AC मधनं DC कसं करायचं and all those things we will study in the 12th standard. So first of all only you should know now is that AC and DC. AC means the alternating current, DC means the direct current. Digital supply, DC supply means what? It is not AC. Okay, it is the fixed voltage. It's called as the DC supply. And AC is always in the variation form. At that time, inductor is induce the voltage when current is passed through that circuit when current is varies. So that current is always varies when AC is used. जेव्हा AC यूज केला जातो at that time only current change होत राहतो, तेव्हा काय होणार आहे, इंडक्टर इंड्यूस व्होल्टेज करणार आहे. व्होल्टेज काय करणार आहे, इंड्यूस करणार आहे. इंड्यूस म्हणजे काय, सो इट गिव्स राइज. इंड्यूसचे मीनिंग काय, व्हाट इज द एक्झॅक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ इंड्यूस इज नथिंग बट इट गिव्स राइज. Yes, induce means what? It gives rise to voltage. Okay, when current changes it gives rise to voltage means induce. The word induce means what? It gives rise to voltage. So inductor is nothing but inductor is always used to induce the voltage when there is a variation in the current. जेव्हा करंट मध्ये व्हेरिएशन असतो at that time इंडक्टर काय करतो, व्होल्टेज इंड्यूस करतो, त्याला म्हणायचा इंडक्टर. ऑल ऑफ अंडरस्टँड दिस. व्हाट इज इंडक्टर? इंडक्टर इज नथिंग बट विथ इंड्यूस्ड व्होल्टेज व्हेन करंट इज इन द वेरिएशन फॉर्म. ऑल दीज हैपन्स ओनली इन द AC, ओनली इन द alternating current, because at that in alternating current only voltage is in the variable form, in the variation form. Okay, so this is unit of this inductor is what? Henry. SI unit is Henry and the symbol is can be measured in H, or symbol for inductor is L. जैसे आपण रेजिस्टरचे सिम्बॉल R बघितले, कॅपॅसिटरचे C बघितले, तसेच इंडक्टरचा काय आहे, L आहे. सो रेजिस्टर इज मेजर्ड इन ओम, कॅपॅसिटर इज मेजर्ड इन फॅरेड and inductor is measured in Henry. Okay, so this is, if suppose 1 millH असेल तर काय येणार, 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 Henry, isn't it? If it is 1 microH असेल तर 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 Henry. Okay, this mu form is what, 10 raised to minus 6, and small m is what, 10 raised to minus 3. All of you understand this? What is the inductor? Yes, what is resistor? Which opposes the flow of current. Capacitor, which stores the charge. Inductor, which induces the voltage. Okay, so resistor is measured in ohm, capacitor is measured in farad, inductor is measured in Henry. Okay, now see, this inductor have two types: self inductance and mutual inductance. In the self-inductance, what happens? When it induces the voltage itself. Yes, in self-inductance, what happens? It induced voltage itself. This word is important. It induced the voltage itself in the self-inductance. But in mutual inductance, it not induce the voltage itself. For induction of dot voltage, we have to link the another circuit that we'll see later on. Okay. First of all, you see this self-inductance means what? Self-inductance is nothing but when it induces the voltage itself is called as the self-inductance, and it is given by L is equal to VL upon di divided by dt. So this L is what? Inductance. VL means the voltage, inductance voltage, and this di by dt is nothing but your current, that is I, which is equal to current. Okay, so it can again write in another form, that is mu 0 mu r n square a upon n. So it can be write in another form, that is L is equal to in this form. Okay, mu 0 mu r n raised to 2 a upon that we have seen in the capacitor that C is equal to, yes, epsilon 0 epsilon R A upon D. We have seen this formula, epsilon 0 epsilon R A upon D in the capacitor. Similar thing is here, that is mu 0 mu R N square A upon L in the capacitor. Okay, so this I will write it here. What is mu 0? What is mu R? N square. N means what? A, and this small L. Okay, so this mu 0 is what that we have written here, the is 0 epsilon R A and D. We have seen in the capacitor, it is what? Relative permeability, and this is what? The permeability of the free space area, and this the distance. Similarly, mu 0 and mu R is nothing but permeability of the mu 0 is nothing but the permeability of free space, and mu R is the relativity permeability, and this N is the number of, and A is the area in meter, and this is the number of turns, and N is the length. Okay, so this is the, you have to write all these things if it is asked what is inductor and state its basic types. So inductor is nothing but, inductor is what? It is the induced voltage when current is in the variation form, and this happen always in the AC current, not in DC current. Its SI unit is Henry. It is measured in capital L. Okay, and these are basically of two types, self-inductance and mutual inductance. In the self-inductance, when induced voltage itself, बाहेरची दुसरी कुठली सर्किट त्याला द्यावं लागत नाही इंड्यूस व्होल्टेज करण्यासाठी, बट म्युच्युअल इंडक्टन्स मध्ये आपल्याला सर्किट लिंक करावं लागणार आहे, त्याला द्यावं लागणार आहे. ॲट दॅट टाइम इट विल बी इंड्यूस्ड व्होल्टेज, बट इन दिस सेल्फ इंडक्टन्स इट सेल्फ इंड्यूस द व्होल्टेज इज कॉल्ड एज द self inductance. Okay, so it is measured in L is equal to VL upon di upon dt. Okay, so this VL is the inductance voltage, di upon dt is nothing but the current, and it can also be write in this form, L is equal to mu 0 mu R. You can read this mu, M-E-O, mu, and this is the epsilon. Yes, you can epsilon. Read this symbol epsilon, and you can read this mu. Mu 0 mu R N square A upon L, where mu 0 is what? Permeability of free space, and mu R is the relativity of permeability. N is the number of turns, A is the area in meter, and small n is the length. All of you understand this? Now C is the mutual inductance. Second type is what? It's a mutual inductance. In this mutual inductance, inductor is not induced voltage itself, but what happened here? You have to link with another circuit. Then it will be, you have to link with other circuit. Then it will be induced induced voltage, it will be not induced itself. You have to give another circuit for induction, and at that time it induced voltage is called as the mutual inductance. This is the basic difference between self means what itself. स्वतः mutual means it is not स्वतः करना नहीं, but you have to give the another circuit for the induced. Okay, then it will be induced voltage. Is called as the induced mutual inductance. Okay, two coils are there. Two coils you have to give here for the mutual inductance. It can be measured in mu h, mh and mu h. M means what? 10⁻³ h means Henry, and mu is what? 10⁻⁶ Henry. Okay, it can be measured. There are two coils are used here. If 1 Henry means what? If it is induced 1 volt in 1 ampere current, then it is called as the 1 Henry. Okay, so how it can be? Tell like this: 1 Henry is nothing but when it is induced 1 voltage in 1 ampere current is called as the 1 Henry. Okay, 1 Henry is what? If it induced the voltage in 1 volt when 1 ampere current is given, then it will be induced 1 Henry. Okay, so this is mutual inductance, that is the Lm. Mutual inductance is indicated by Lm. Okay, so this Lm can be written. Lm have the formula. Lm is equal to K into bracket L1 into L2. So this Lm also can be write like this. When it induced, it can be write flux linked between L1 and L2 divided by flux of L1. Okay, it requires 2 points, that is L1 and L2. When the lines of flux were there in the inductor, okay, the symbol of inductor is like this. This is the L, inductor. Okay, symbol of resistor is like this, that is R. Symbol of capacitor is like this, and symbol of inductor is like this. Okay, so this is what? Symbol of inductor. So this mutual inductance is nothing but when it is linked with other circuit, then only it will induce the voltage, is called as the mutual inductance, and it can be measured in the millihenry or the microhenry. Lm is equal to flux linked between L1 and L2 divided by flux of L1, that is the flux produced by the L1. So this is Lm is equal to K into under root of L1 into L2 is the formula for the mutual inductance. All of you understand this? Inductor means what? It induces the voltage. Its symbol is L and it is measured in Henry. Okay, symbol is like this. And it have two basic inductors, self-inductance and mutual inductance. In the self-inductance, it induces the voltage itself, is called as a self-inductance, and in the mutual inductance, it not induce the voltage itself. You have to give another circuit, you have to link to the other circuit, then only it will be induced voltage, that is called as the mutual inductance, and it is measured by in the millihenry and the microhenry. And the formula for this is Lm is equal to flux linked between L1 and L2 divided by flux produced by L1. Flux of L1 or flux produced by L1. So Ln is equal to K into under root of L1 and L2. And for self-inductance, that is L is equal to mu 0 mu r n square A upon L. Where mu 0 is permeability of relativity, permeability of free space, mu r is what? Relativity permeability, n square is what? Number of turns, A is the area in meter, and small l is the length. Now we have seen the types of capacitor, isn't it? Types of capacitor मध्ये बघितले आपण कुठले कुठले टाइपचे कॅपॅसिटर. एअर कोर कॅपॅसिटर, isn't it? पेपर कोर कॅपॅसिटर. रेजिस्टर पण मध्ये बघितले वायर बॉन्ड रेजिस्टर. Yes. Which type of resistor we have seen? Wire bond resistor. Yes, mica capacitor we have seen. See, like that, here also some type of material is used in the inductor also. So the material is air core material, iron core and ferrite core. Iron core and the ferrite. Ferrite core. Iron core and the ferrite core material. F-E-R-R-T. Core means what? Core is nothing but the hollow tube, insulating material. आपण रेजिस्टर मध्ये बघितले वायर इज बाउंड ऑन द इन्सुलेटिंग मटेरियल. वायर जे मॅग्नेटची वायर बाउंड म्हणजे काय? मॅग्नेटची वायर कशावरती आपण बाउंड केलेले गुंडाळलेले आहे? हॉलो ट्यूबवरती. तसंच त्या हॉलो ट्यूब किंवा इन्सुलेटेड मटेरियल इज कॉल्ड एज द कोर. So that core is what? Hollow tube, and that hollow tube contain its material inside is what? Air, and that is called as the air core inductor. Which type of inductor it is? Air core inductor, where air is used as a in the hollow tube is called as the air core inductor, or air is acts as a hollow tube. Air is act as a core. Here core कशाची असणार आहे? air ची असणार आहे. So air is acts as a core is called as the air core. Air is act as a core is called as the, and write it here, flux of L1. Air is acts as a core, that is called as the air core inductor, and this air core inductor is nothing but the conductive wound, and it is always measured in millihenry and microhenry, and these are used in the radio frequency signal. Okay, RF signal मध्ये air core वापरले जाते. This is iron core means what? It is air is acts as a core here, and here iron is acts as a core. Iron means what? Tamba. What do you call as the iron? Iron is nothing but it is a powdered iron. Iron is in the form of powder. It is powdered iron, or it is also called as slug. Is acts as a core. Iron means what? It is a powdered iron, or it is also called as a slug. It acts as a core, and then it is called as the iron core, and it is used in audio frequency. Audio and video means what? Audio means when you cannot see the picture. Video means you can see the picture. Only you can hear the voice in the audio frequency. Okay, you know audio, the meaning of audio and video. Audio and video ची meaning समजतात ना. ऑडिओ म्हणजे तुम्ही फक्त ऐकू शकता, बघू शकत नाही, त्यात पिक्चर दिसणार नाही तुम्हाला. व्हिडिओ मीन्स यू कॅन हिअर अँड वॉच द व्हिडिओ. ओके, दॅट इज द व्हिडिओ. In iron ore, this powdered slug is used. Powdered iron, ironचं powder केलं जातं, त्याला slug म्हणायचं. That slug will act as a core. That is called as the iron core and it is used in the audio frequency. And last is the ferrite core, and the ferrite core ceramic material is used as a core in the ferrite core. Ceramic material is as an insulator. It is used in the high frequency signal. It is used in the high frequency signal is called as the ferrite core. Okay, so this inductor is made up of three things. That is the air core inductor, yes, iron core inductor and ferrite core inductor. In the air core inductor, air will be acts as a core and it is used in the radio frequency signal. It can be measured in millihenry and microhenry. Okay, so in iron core, powdered iron is called as a slug. Powdered iron acts as a core in the iron core inductor and it is used in the audio frequency signal. And ferrite core is the ceramic material is used in the ferrite core and it is used for the high frequency signal. Okay, so you have to not write in detail. If you want to write in detail for air core, there are 3 or 4 pages only on air core inductor. So you are not expected all those things in the 11th standard. Only first we'll give the introduction of all these things: air core, iron core, and ferrite core means what. Okay, so all these 3 are the types of inductor. Okay, so what we have seen in this lecture: what is inductor, what is this basic types, and for which material inductor is made up of. Okay, so inductor is what it is. Inductor is induce the voltage when current is in the variation form. It's called as inductor. It is measured in Henry and symbol for inductor is capital N. And basically there are 2 types: self-inductance and mutual inductance. In self-inductance, inductance induced itself is called as the self-inductance. In mutual inductance, it not induce itself. You have to give another circuit, then only it will induce the voltage. Is called as the mutual inductance. And that inductor is made up of 3 things, that is air core, iron core and ferrite core. In the air core, air will be acts as a core, and in the iron core, iron metal powder or the slug is used as a core, and in the ferrite core, ceramic material is acts as a core. All of you understand this thing?